That's exactly right. So we have all modes of weather hazards at play here. So what do I mean by that? We're talking about the potential for flooding, like Craig, you just mentioned, as well as potential for damaging winds, upwards of 70 miles per hour at times, violent tornadoes, large hail. We have everything on the table for us. It's extremely imperative that you are staying weather aware and you have multiple ways to receive watches and warnings, and you're staying tuned into us here at Fox Weather throughout the day. We'll get you through this severe weather event safely. The biggest issue is going to be centered right over the area shaded in maroon. So this is going to encompass portions of southern Iowa, far kind of northwestern Illinois, and portions of northern Missouri. This is where we have the greatest potential, Craig, to see strong violent tornadoes, EF2 or stronger, in this hatched zone, as we have this very powerful area of low pressure working its way eastward. And in that warm sector where we have a very warm, moist, and unstable air mass, that is where we have enough deep layer shear to allow for some of these storms to start to rotate and produce the potential for some strong violent tornadoes.
No kidding. Temperatures are very warm at this hour. Dew points are way up there. You talk about the chance for tornadoes. Also, let's factor in large hail. The threat is also there. Significant area of real estate extending from Little Rock clear up to Sioux Falls and over to Madison. But the bullseye closer to Des Moines is where we could see the potential for some of these hailstones to grow 2 inches in diameter or greater. And that is significant. Could cause some damage to property. The winds also, we could see some damaging winds out of these. You don't need a tornado to get some damage. Kendall, these gusts can be pretty significant. Could cause some power outages as well.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And then when you look at the flash flood threat, there are some areas that need to see the rain more than others, especially states like Iowa. But as you look a little further to the east, well, we're actually not dealing with any concerns in terms of drought conditions. So unfortunately, it could be a little bit too much of a good thing. So we'll be watching that area carefully. But certainly in the short term, we're going to be concerned with kind of this zone, this warm sector where we have the greatest potential to see these strong storms develop. Unfortunately, again, could be very dangerous. So it's important that you are staying weather prepared.